Husky Liners form-fit mudguards are made from durable, impact-resistant, all-weather thermoplastic that's as tough as nails, or rocks for that matter. And as you'll see in this video, they're ridiculously easy to install. First, let's verify the vehicle application and part number you received to ensure it matches the intended part you ordered. To do this, find the barcode on the box and check that the information matches your specific truck. Next, unpackage the mudguards, fastener kit, and instructions from the box. If you ordered a mudguard combo pack, please identify which are the front and rear mudguards. You'll notice an LH for left-hand side and an RH for right-hand side. For your front mudguards, turn the wheel for easy installation. Clean the area where the mudguard will be installed. To protect your fenders against wear, you'll want to install the paint protection film over the mudguard mounting surface. To determine where to place the paint protection film, position the mudguard on the fender. Next, to remove the protection film from the liner and to flood the adhesive side of the film, mix a wetting solution of 1 pint of water with 4 drops of liquid dishwashing detergent. Then, using a spray bottle or sponge, wet the film with the wetting solution and remove the protection film. Thoroughly wet the location of the fender where the film will be installed with the wetting solution. Position the adhesive side of the film on the fender and flood with the wetting solution. Double-check the location of the film using the mudguard and reposition if necessary. If it's positioned correctly, using a sponge or clean shop towel, squeegee any air bubbles and wrinkles from the film. You'll want to allow the film to dry before installing the mudguard. Once the film has completely dried, remove the existing fasteners from the vehicle. Repeat this process for both the front and rear film installation. Peel off the red protective cover from the 3M adhesive on the mudguard. Next, attach the mudguard to the fender with the fasteners. You'll want to double check the fit and ensure the mudguard is parallel to the ground before tightening. Be sure to press firmly on the area with the 3M adhesive tape to make sure the adhesive is set. Finally, install the spring clip over the mudguard and the fender lip at the location with the raised tick marks.